All right, what's happening, everybody? It's your man K Rizza, Kaschmiere Rich, live and direct, Chi-Town. What's happening, man? Stand up. All right, we got it going on here. I just want to swing by, man. Brief little update. I know I was telling everybody, you know what I'm saying, I was going to be swinging at this program this month. Real simple program, man. It's been real successful, you know what I'm saying? And my goal when I started, really pumping it, I was going after, trying to do at least, for the month of February, by it only being 28 days, I was trying to do at least, $3,000-4,000 with the program because it is $100 system. You pay 100 to get in, and actually 110 to get in. 100 goes directly to your sponsor, and $10 goes, to the admin fee to maintain the platform. Really, really cool program, right? So what happened was, man, it got to banging out really, really hard. And so what I did was for this particular program, because I wanted to monitor it, I was using 3 different payment processors. One of them was Bitcoin, because I knew I was going to get a lot of international feed. And the other 2, it was PayPal, and of course this one where we're on right now, Chimp. And so, man, it was banging out, man, over on the PayPal side. I think I did a post for that one. I think I hit over $1,000 over there in PayPal with that particular program. That was like, they banging it out with the same program, right? But I was using different payment processors because you can set that up in your back office, man. It's pretty cool. So I have Chimp, PayPal, Payza, Google Wallet, things like that over there. But they was really hitting this Chimp account, right? And so what I did was, so I could monitor it a little better, man, I just really started pushing, pay me through Chimp. Now, if you look right here, you'll see, man, 6,100. That's all February, man. And really, to tell you the truth about it, what I was telling my team, I was going to keep them abreast because my main goal was to hit $1,000 per week. But it just started exploding, man. You know what I'm saying? And then, that's just this account. It's like this one is 6,100. You see right here, the $100 payments. That's all I've been taking over here. Like I say, this is a new account. And so the $100 payment's been rolling, right? You know what I'm saying? Look at this, man. This is me. That's my picture up there, right? 6,100. It's a real simple program, guys. $110 to get in. You can pay with, PayPal, Payza, Chimp, Google Wallet, Square Cash, whatever, Bitcoin, right? Whatever you want to use, man, to get up in this. But you got to think about something, man. A $110 investment that turns into this. And when you actually think about it, if I look at all of the other accounts, I'm almost at 10 grand for the month for this program because I got I think I did like 2,000 in Bitcoin. I had a lot of international people came in and a couple of, U.S. citizens, that got Bitcoin. But and then in PayPal, I think it was another 1,000 or something. I've been doing 1,000. I'm almost with PayPal now, man. I'm almost at $1,000 a day over there with the people that's paying in PayPal. So we talking about a program that's bringing in nearly 10 grand, man. 10 grand in a month. This is the last day. This is February the 28th. This is the last day of the month, right? So it's like, guys, I don't know what to tell you. The only thing I'm doing is getting in here. I put together a little phone message. And the phone message, all you got to do really now is just send out the phone message. You know what I'm saying? When you send out the phone message, it does all the selling and the telling for you. You don't really have to do anything but just, do that. And of course, man, I know a lot of people, it's a couple things, you know what I'm saying, that's holding people back. A lot of people, they worry about, if they got to recruit, they don't want to do that. They don't want to talk to nobody. They just want to get into something and just sit there. Man, you're not going to do these numbers right here by just getting into something and just sitting there, man. You lucky to make $100, $150 in a month. That stuff don't work, man. So if you just being lazy and you don't want to do what you need to do, man, you need to go get a job. Just being realistic with you, man. Because, you look at what we're doing and you be like, yeah, these dudes is doing this. But, man, let me tell you something, man. I ain't just doing this. I'm talking to people. I'm working with people. I'm helping people to get signed up because, sometimes people get stuck. You got to help them. So it's more than just, we sitting here and we collecting money. When you look at us, man, and you say, these leaders are doing this, that, and another, man, we putting in work. I can speak personally, man. I know I'm putting in work. I can name a couple other people like Dominique Barbie. Dominique is putting in that work, right? But she getting that guap. So you got to sort of think about what it is we doing. Like they always say, you see the glory, but you don't know the story. So the story is, man, we out here working with people. We out here, you know what I'm saying? We online and offline. But this right here, with this account right here, you looking at, man, this was a mixture, man. I just been working with people, and you know, this 6100, man, and that's just, and today isn't over. You know what I'm saying? Today isn't over. I think I've already had about 5 people to come in on other different processors. So, I mean, you know, if you want to do $1,000 a day, that's what we're after right now. We told everybody, you know, I posted a video the other night, man. Hey, $1,000 per day, that is what I'm going after. If you want to roll with me on that, come on, man. It's not rocket science. It's just science to it. People want this money, right? You know, if you're willing to put up $110, man, to walk away with six stacks in a month, come on, man. Stop being cheap to yourself. 110. Get up in here. You only pay it one time. This isn't even residual. This is a one-time payment of $110. You get a powerful system. The system is off the chain. I mean, it does everything for you. And the only thing you got to do at that point, man, is just start making money. Put it out there to the people. Give them a chance. What I really like about it is that, yeah, it's $110 to get in. But you break even when you bring your first person in. And everybody after that, you're number 2, 3, 4. Ain't no pass-ups. So everything you bring, you keep. Everybody you bring up in here, you keep. So that means that, you know what I'm saying, you're looking at breaking even with your first person in. And then from there, everything else is just smooth sailing, man. You just making 100, 100, 100, 100. And you probably think it's a lot of work, man, but it's nothing to bring in 10 people a day. Guys, y'all don't even know what's getting ready to happen for the month of March. Man, I'm about to go into gorilla mode so hard with this thing. We even coming out now with, you know, the $100 drop cards. Man, the $100 drop cards only saying one thing. You want to make this type of money, hit this link, call this link, or rather, you know, click the link or log it in or whatever. Make the phone call. We're going to have a phone number on there. Call in, listen to the recorded method, man. Imagine, you know, you talking about 10, 20 people a day, right? I said 1,000. I'm going for $1,000 a day. But, man, let me tell you, man, I'm about to go out here on gorilla mode. I'm in Chicago, so it's been a little cold. Weather is breaking. Today is like around about 50, 60. I'm about to get out here and get on it now. So anyway, I'm not going to keep you guys on. I just wanted to touch down briefly, let you guys know what it is we're doing. As you see right here, I did 6,100, man, for well, on Chimp Chain 6,100, right? I believe a total. I'll know the total later tonight. I'm probably going to surpass the $10,000 for the month with this particular program. So, you know, get at me if you want to get in. You know, message me. Let me know what it is you want to do. I'll put you in. I'm telling you guys, before you even message me, it's $110. I'm pretty much explaining to you what it is we do, so it's not no long drawn out process. You join, pay your 110, start promoting it, bringing people in. You break even with your first person in. Everything after that is profit. You can use this video right here if you want to for proof. You know, if somebody say, well, man, is anybody making money with it? There it is. You see what I'm saying? $100 per. And let's get it going. This your man, Kaschmiere Rich. K Risen, coming to you live and direct. Chi-Town, born and bred, baby. Putting it in. Chicago, stand up. All right. Y'all have a good one, man. Peace.